Hello everyone, welcome to my AWS course module. Do you want to become AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate and also wanted to get your dream job? Then this course is for you. My name is Shikhar Verma and I am the instructor for this complete course module. I am having 13 years of IT industry experience and also a professional IT trainer. My passion is to create online job-oriented certified courses and also teach online. I have been teaching over to 25,000 students online and also helped many learners to pass their various certifications like AWS, Red Hat, Cluster and Civil. Learning is important, but most important is how to explore it. This course is designed in such a way that you can learn as well as explore the entire course module with various lab sessions. In this course, I will teach you everything you need to know to pass the AWS Certified Solution Architect and will also help you to get your dream job as well. In this course module, I will teach everything which is required to pass AWS certification and also will help you to get your dream job as well. So this entire course module is based on hands-on lab session. AWS is a booming technology. So this is the perfect course for you. So get up and start running with AWS. This course module is meant for the students who are new to cloud technology. I have started this course module from very basic, such as introduction of cloud technology, why cloud technology is booming in the market, what are their benefits, AWS reasons and their availability zones, EC2 service, security groups, elastic load balancer, auto scaling, AMIs, and a lot of more things we have discussed in this course module. We have also discussed important services like S3, Route 53, VPC, DynamoDB, database, serverless, Lambda, VM migration, and many more things we have discussed in this course module. I have mentioned each and everything in the description of this course module. So before enrolling into this course module, you can refer to the description of this course module. In total, I have prepared over 15 hours of video content in this entire course module, and I have tried my best to deliver all the required stuff which is required for AWS certification. Moreover, I have included exam tips, practice lab session at the end of each section. Don't take my words for it. Look at the reviews which I have received on my various courses at Udemy. And after the completion of this course module, with proper dedication, you will be the next one to be certified as Solution Architect. I am keeping my courses updated time to time, and if you have any concern, suggestion, query, you can directly write to me, or also you can put your query into the question answer forum of this course module. I will try my best to respond you as soon as possible. Believe me, this is not a fake promise. I hope by now you are convinced. Still, if you have any doubts, you know the policy, 30 days money back guarantee policy. This course will help you to take you to the next level of your career. So the question is, are you ready for the challenge? If yes, then enroll the course today only and let's learn AWS together. Thank you.